times are changing really rapidly. Coming from the last 100 years where the automotive industry was driven by mechanical engineers, in the future digitalization is the key in the car, in the surrounding of the car, connected with the customers. So there is a completely new field which we have to add to the automotive industry. Traditionally in Europe we are very good in the traditional mechanical engineering and not that good in digitalization, and the combination of both is a big challenge for the future. If we can combine this, we can be very successful in the industry, and therefore this is really then also the challenge and the need for the future managers, that they are able to combine both worlds. The way we work in the future will change. The workplace will change, the work behavior will change, and a modern manager must be able to guide his team in a more agile way compared to the working style we had in the last let's say 30-40 years probably. So on the one side it's how we work, and on the other side is when you go into knowledge a little bit deeper. There we need IT technology in the car, and that means we need some specialists who know what they are talking about. It makes it so special because different nations are coming together here with a focus on, let's say, the heartland of our industry in Europe, which is the automotive industry. Supply chain, development of the cars, everything connected creates a very strong industry. And to have an international postgraduate course, this makes it very special when this is on an international base fed by different industries. I think the advice is the same as it was in the past. Keep on working tough towards the future challenges. And future challenges are IT, digitalization, and a complete different ecosystem compared to that what it was before.